In today's video, we will take out the passenger front door panel of 2019 Honda Civic. Using the plastic door upholstery remover, we will take out the middle door switch cover. Once the cover is pulled out, notice there is a big plug in the middle that needs to be taken out. Just press and hold this tab and then pull out the plug. There's the plug taken out. Notice there is a screw behind the cover and we will take it out using a Phillips screwdriver. Now using the same door upholstery remover, I will try to pull out the door liner from the edges. We'll be pulling it to a point until the door liner loses its grip. Once the door liner loses its grip, now you can slightly pull the door liner upwards and there you notice the complete door liner is taken apart. With that, we are done taking out the door liner completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.